Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this tripod for my YouTube channel. So let's unbox it. I've cut it already. Let's see. Because one hand I'm holding, in one hand I'm taking video, so it's quite difficult for me. This is the one. See, it is three-way fluid effect pan head, and it has a built-in bubble level. I don't know what it does with all that, but let's see. Legs with brass and 4 sections of aluminum legs. Lever lock. I think it should be good. Let's open it. They said they have a battery. Oh, something fell down. And this is the mobile holder. It has this way and this way. Oh, it's nice. It has a bag. Very good. For Tron. Let's check it out. After I unpack, I will take video in this and post it again. Let's see how it is. It's quite difficult doing two things. It's like this. Oh, nice. And it can be standing like this. It has extended here, and it can be tightened over here for rotation. You can have a full rotation. This is for the mobile holder. Here you can hold this holder they've given, so this one will be going over here. However we want, we can fix it like this. And here is a the same adjust screw. This is the extension, and it has 3 levers. Now I'll extend and show. One, it has a lock for it. Very nice. It's so sturdy. So sturdy. Here it gives, and after it is extended, you can lock it. If anybody is interested, it is advised for everyone. It's so good, so nice, and so economical. And this is how it is. And it can extend here also, and this way it can it has a lever holder over here. I'll just show you. See, I'll just loosen this one so it can rotate however see, it rotates all way around to take a rotating videos. So nice it is, economical. It can be tightened with this screw over here. Nice. Let me tighten it. Oh. Okay, nice. It is highly recommended. So economical, so nice. No words. It's absolutely stunning. Awesome. So friendly. And quality wise, okay. This is my review. If anybody likes it, please buy this one. This is Fotron company. Steady 350 tripod. So nice. It's really, really nice. Very good. I will give 100 out of 100. And what is it? So nice for a beginner. And okay, that's the end of this unboxing. Some more, I will come up with more unboxing or some other videos. I will try to give good ideas, but as of now, today that's all. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video. Like, share and support me. Bye.